Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? It is Friday. Yay! The weekend is coming. Are you ready for this amazing weekend ahead? Okay, so today's video I'm so excited to share with you. Yesterday, I was so lucky got invited by Visibly and Gennesis to attend Glow Recipe PR event. What? So I want to show you what's in the PR gift bag and also show you some of the highlight at the event. All this amazing new friend I met from last night. So let's get started today's video. If this is the first time you discover my YouTube channel, hello, I'm Steve Jan. My YouTube channel is focused 90% skincare, 10% lifestyle. I've been working in cosmetics for 27 years, work as a beauty consultant, business manager, trainer, country trainer, ambassador. I even on QVC for a few times. This is the reason why you can count on my recommendations. If you like what you hear, subscribe my YouTube channel here and turn on the notification bell so you know the time I release my video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for the Glow Recipe event, and I'm so lucky to be invited by Visibly and Gennesis. They're doing a photo right now. So I want to show you what this event all about, and let's go with me and we're going to have a great time at the event with Visibly and Gennesis.
We made it!
We made it! Where's that?
The pinks!
Yeah.
We're in today.
Oh, also we are Chanel.
Oh, period. The
And
Chanel,
yours.
The Chanel.
Yes,
So,
yes.
also in the
Visibly. Hi. Oh my god, we met you, so cute. I love the girls. So we're going to show you around tonight what's happening here. Over here, they are doing like high school prom pictures. That's really, really cute. And that's the lounge area. People kind of just hanging out here. Thank you. Okay. So she's working, always working. Be careful, don't trip.
At least I'll die fabulous.
Not here. Yay.
Put it like right here.
Oh yeah, I should bring a glue with me next time.
Right?
Yeah, that'll be cute.
Burn off for the rest of the night.
Thank you for having us. I love you. Whoa. So this is, I guess it's you help yourself, right?
What happened? Yeah.
Okay.
But it has tequila in it.
Oh, there's alcohol in there?
Yes. Prosecco. Tequila. Yeah.
Yeah, no tequila for me. Here, I'll hold a glass for you. I don't.
Yeah, maybe.
I'll just get a soda.
No, a soda.
Oh wow!
I'm gonna nominate me and Steve because we should always win.
Of course.
So I'm gonna put our.
Wow, that makes so much more sense. Okay. I used to think about the king and queen. I was thinking about something totally different. That's why I.
This is so high school. Thank God we are mean girls, so we fit.
Thank God.
Thank you.
She always need to be in the photo and video.
Include me always.
Yes, posting. Wow, look at her.
double takes. We're doubling take.
We're both vlogging at the same time.
Estamos aquí vlogueando. I hope you had fun.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
Of course. We'll see you at Disney. This is the Disney group.
Yes, yes, yes.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Hit the notification button. Follow all of us on Instagram.
Yeah.
And there too, everywhere.
Everyone, follow.
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Whoa, what do you think about this event? There's so many influencers there, so many important people there. It's just so nice to see that people who love skincare all gather in one roof and enjoy and celebrate the launch for Glow Recipe, the new skincare product that will launch. Let's take a look what's in here, okay? It says right here, Glow Skin Inside, Glow Recipe. Wow, this you're gonna laugh. This shopping bag is very, very nice. It's kind of matte finish with a Glow Recipe print on the texture print on top. Comes with the pink tissue, so go with the brand. And I'm not gonna. I actually opened something last night already because I can't wait. But I want to show them close this here. So what I give to all the attendees, well, at least this is what I received. Okay, ta-da! First, it is the strawberry shortcake. This is so cute. Candy. And it's only 200 calories. Well, let me just double check real quick. Sometimes there's how many pieces. Okay, see? 200 calories per serving. There's 2 servings in here. So if I ate the whole bar, it's a 400 calories. Strawberry shortcake. And you probably guessed it right. The theme is just strawberry. And I'm going to show you what is the new product launch, okay? But first, I want to show you this is the one I opened last night. Oh my god. It is really yummy. Take a look. I don't know if this Giuseppe opens her yet already, but it is super yummy. Like a strawberry. I don't know what they call strawberry shortcake. It's more like strawberry chocolate. Oh my god, this is so yummy. Mmm. Mmm. You can taste the fresh strawberry in there. It is really good. I know you're like, what's in there? You're showing me the chocolate. Well, it's good. I have to show you. So in here, they also give you some pamphlet right here. First one is like a certificate. Most likely to be Glow 24/7. And it's an award by the founder, Sarah and Christine. And it was yesterday's day. So yeah, so we are glowing all the way. It's really cute. And then there's a little information card right here. It tells you what is the new launch they have. Give you the information what is this new product do. So let's kind of just show you guys right now, do a demo. So this is the new product from Glow Recipe, Strawberry Smooth, BHA and AHA, all about clarifying and retexturize your skin. Has 2% beta hydroxy acid. So quickly let you know that the BHA is really working on beneath the skin to clear the skin, unclog the pore. AHA is working up above the skin, on the surface of the skin, clog the pores. So it's a very gentle way to give you that refreshing, brighter looking skin. It's so cute. They always create really fun packaging and the ingredient. Like I remember 2 years ago was avocado. Then they're known for their watermelon. Now there's the strawberry. I wonder, are they ever gonna come out passion fruit? Oh my god, I love passion fruit. Anyone else like passion fruit? Or have you ever tried passion fruit before? Leave a comment below. Alright, so this is strawberry serum. So you open it, there's a pump like this. And I just kind of see on the skin. So it pumps out like a white serum. And it goes on pretty smooth and absorb pretty fast too. It has a very light hint of a strawberry scent, but it's not very strong. I have to say, out of all this product I bought from Glow Recipe, watermelon is my most favorite. Hey, have you tried Glow Recipe? What is your favorite collection from Glow Recipe? I love watermelon so much. I'm pretty sure that this is gonna lead to different collection like watermelon. Who knows? You know, that'll be really cool. So it basically absorbs very quickly. I used it last night and this morning. It just absorbing really fast. It doesn't leave a sticky or tackiness. It just soak right in. So that's really, really good. And the best thing is that this is the brand new product and they are available at Sephora. And Sephora just started their spring event. If you are the Rouge customer, you can buy this and get 20% off. And I made other video talk about this event, so you can check it out. I'm going to put a link below so you can look at my recommendations. So yeah, if you want to try this, this is a perfect time to get. And I just noticed something here. I don't know, can you see it from the glass? So if you look very close, there's a little hole, like kind of like not hole, little like dent on the bottle. It's like a strawberry. But it's very subtle though, because I didn't even notice until I was looking on the sideway like this. I don't know, can you see it? My light is very strong. So this little texture right here, like a little strawberry. Oh, it's so cute. Product I definitely gonna use more, and I'll probably do another video talk about Glow Recipe skincare product. But today I just want to show you what is the gift bag that we received at this amazing PR event, and yeah, and just having a great time meeting people. So thank you, Glow Recipe, and thank you, Giuseppe and Gennesis, add me as a +1. Yay, I'm so happy. Yeah, okay. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.